Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into the channel today. We have a Glock 19 BB gun, Generation 3. So I just went down and picked it up from my local Canadian Tire here in Canada here. It was on sale for $154. That's right. Some of you might be saying that's a little expensive, but I don't know. Upon some research that I did locally, it's a give or take a few dollars here and there. So the reason why I'm purchasing this is that I have a firearms license for both restricted and non-restricted, which means I can buy a handgun. However, in Canada, they've been banned. That is correct. You can't buy them anymore. So I've been doing a lot of research on YouTube, and I decided to go with this one here. So what we're going to do is we're going to unpackage this, and we're going to take a look at it. If you like what you see, guys, give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe. All right, let's cut this open. Sorry for all the noise. I'm going to set that down for a second. Boy, right off the bat, this baby definitely has some weight. And let's just make sure there's nothing else in the package here. So I'll just read you what it says on the package here. Glock 19 CO2 airgun, .177 caliber. Perfection by Glock Gen 3, officially licensed product of Glock. The magazine, you can carry a maximum of 15 BBs. Yes, you don't want to go more than 15 because I've heard horror stories that it can jam and stuff like that. So we'll set that aside. It has an instruction manual here. Umarex, a product of USA registration. You open it up here. So once again, when you buy a firearm or a BB gun, it's a final sale. So if there's any issues with it, I can't take it back. All right, so basically with every firearm, you want to treat it as if it was loaded. So number one thing is, don't put your finger in the trigger area. Keep it outside of the guard like so. You don't want to pick it up and just put your finger in there and accidentally injure yourself or kill somebody, right? So this is very nice. Right out of the box. You see everyone has that same number on the top. Regardless if you bought it in Canada or the United States, this will always be the same. The material is very nice. I don't see any imperfections in it. This is the nicest firearm or gun that I've held, as far as pistols go. All right, we're going to dive more in depth with this in my next video. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. All right, see you on the next one, guys.